Hey y'all, Kerry Werner here with a video reminder. And that reminder is to pack all the things once you disassemble, pad, and pack your bike for your next shipment. When you're shipping a bike, whether it's for an event, vacation, or sale, it's important to ship all the things that you intended to ship. Here's a list of 10 items that are commonly forgotten. Be sure to include these for a smooth shipping experience. First up is seat post. It's really easy to leave this clamped into the stand, but it's often hard to replace once you get to your destination. Plus, if you forgot your seat post, you likely forgot your saddle as well. Next is a through axle or quick release. You can't ride your bike without these, and they can be a pricey piece to be left behind. Not to mention that there's a lot of different axle configurations out there, and it might be hard to source your specific axle. Plus, do they even make quick releases anymore? Tools. And I mean tools that are helpful for putting your bike back together. A handy multi-tool that includes various hexes and torque sizes, a pedal wrench, and a center lock rotor tool if your bike has a center lock rotor. Speaking of rotors, don't forget the rotors once you set them aside and pack your wheels. And you should always remember to take them off so that they don't get bent in transit. Speaking of setting things aside, pedals are easy to set aside and get left behind. You take them off to pad and pack your bike, and then you forget to put them in your boxer case. With electronic shifting and e-bikes, it's important to remember your charge cords or special plugs and adapters. It might be important to have a tire pump or shock pump. This is especially true if you need to let air out of your shocks to more easily fit your bike into your boxer case. You'll need a shock pump to reset your pressures once you get to your destination. If you're shipping round trip, it might be a good idea to include your return shipping label. This way you don't have to source a printer or remember to print your return label. And finally, it's always handy to have a Bikeflights tape measure. This allows resetting your seat posts and getting your bike dialed in once you get to your destination that much easier. Another reminder is that the exact packing process will vary depending on what bike you're shipping and what box or case you're shipping it in. But no matter what, be sure to stash all your small, loose parts securely in a small parts container inside your boxer case. Some cases have built-in storage, some do not. You can also put them in a small box or bag and secure it within your larger boxer case. Keeping everything together helps ensure that nothing gets forgotten. For larger loose parts like a seat post, you can easily pad around them and then bungee them to your frame or box. So next time you're getting things ready for a trip, maybe make a list and check it twice. Or watch this video. Don't let forgetting small parts derail your next adventure or event. Give this video a like, and for more helpful shipping and packing related videos, subscribe to the Bikeflights YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.